Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you are undecided between getting a kayak or a stand-up paddleboard, well, take it from me, you might just want to check out this completely adaptable stand-up paddleboard set from iTAOSTAR. When used solely as a stand-up paddleboard, it is so much fun. It has an extra wide design, which makes it more stable. This is something that I really appreciate since I'm kind of a beginner with stand-up paddling. It also has a very thoughtfully designed textured top, so my feet didn't feel like they were slipping around everywhere. I felt totally comfortable on this board very quickly. Friends of ours live right next to a pond, so we took it there to do a little bit of exploring. We enjoyed it so much, and the stand-up paddling was so easy to maneuver, and it was so relaxing. My husband and I live next to water too, but it is not a pond or a lake, it is the Atlantic Ocean. This is where I really appreciate the fact that this paddleboard comes with an inflatable, attachable kayak seat. The seat was really quick to inflate and easy to attach to the board. There's also an inflatable footrest, which I really liked because it made me feel more secure and anchored onto the board. I did not feel comfortable stand-up paddling on the ocean in front of our house, not because I'm not a strong swimmer, but because we still have icebergs out there and these giant ice cubes are keeping that water pretty chilly. It is so comfortable to sit on, and after we adapted the paddle, I could paddle away almost like I was on a kayak. All of the accessories that come with this paddleboard are so thoughtful, practical, and fun, and I look forward to being able to try them all out. And that's my point of view.